Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to run a quick time lapse of how I fixed our pull-out trash can holder. The hinges and the screws were all stripped out, so this was very wobbly and it actually fell off. And now you can see nice and sturdy using plastic drywall anchors, some screws, and just some time. Enjoy the time lapse. All right, guys, so that was incredibly painful, but not that bad, believe it or not. So, as you see, we just basically use simple plastic anchors inside each of the walls of the cabinet. And now we'll give it a nice shake. Tracks don't move. Nice, sturdy. We'll give it a push back, see how this works. There you go. It's all closed up. All right, to wrap the video, let's do some tech tips. One, you're gonna wanna support the back of the drawer with something like this. I use the plastic bowl. You can use 2x4s, extra wood, books, etc. You're gonna want that as a second hand because once you remove the 2 screws or however many there are supporting the tracks, the whole thing's gonna drop. Another thing I highly recommend that you do from the beginning that I did not do is here. Mark with a pencil or a piece of painter's tape the top and the bottom of the tracks. So when you're trying to screw the new screws back in to the new anchors you installed, you're gonna know exactly how they lined up from the factory. And to piggyback off of that, mark what slot your screw goes in from the factory. So there's about 5 or 6 different adjustments due to the depth of the cabinets. And you betcha I tried, I think, 4 out of the 5. So that was not fun redoing that. And I didn't feel you guys needed to see it. And can't forget this tip. This is the actual piece of wood that the screws go into from here to here. You don't want to go into the rest of the cabinet. So this is basically what you have to work with. So of course, make sure when you're sizing up your anchors and your screws that they are no bigger than that. Maybe about half, 3/4 of the way.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another video from Dadlife. If you're enjoying the content, please hit the subscribe button, follow along, and tune into the next video. Dadlife. Out.